Guys, weather was quite cloudy in the morning, but now it's really good weather. So I just came out from the airport to check the weather, and it feels really good. Yeah, and it was like so less people are here because it's New Year Day. So yeah, maybe still people are sleeping. They might have hangover of last night. But I am working here, doing some volunteering stuffs, and as you can see behind me, the weather is really good, but it's quite cold without jacket. Guys, I want to share with you one more information that whenever you get a chance to do volunteering work in your life, please do it. You will get a lot of things to know. You will get a valuable experience. Of course, you won't get a money, but definitely you are gonna get a really valuable experience. You are gonna learn so many things that money even cannot buy those things. Seriously, I did a lot of volunteering work in the fall semester, and this is also the part of the one of the volunteering work. And seriously guys, if you do the volunteering works, you are gonna learn a lot of things. It is a really great experience of my entire life, and I will definitely do it, more and more in the future also. Whenever I will get a chance to do a volunteering work, I will definitely do it in the future also. I learned a lot of things. I met with a lot of people, and seriously, it's really something different kind of happiness that you will get after doing a volunteering works. That is really unimaginable. I cannot explain to you guys in a word uh, about that feeling, about that experience that I got by doing the volunteering works. So I just want to tell you that just try once. Whenever you get a chance to do volunteering work, do it. It will really give you the really good learnings, a good knowledge, good experience, and a kind of a feeling that you won't get by doing any kind of paid work also. Yeah, so today I am at the Regina International Airport, representing the University of Regina, welcoming the new student. I met with few students they arrived in a last flight. I think one is from the Costa Rica, one girl is from the Costa Rica, and I met with two persons. They are from the Nigeria. One is from the India, that too from the Gujarat. That is, I am from the Gujarat as well. So yeah, I helped them, I guide them, and they were like really thankful to me. And yeah, one more thing that I observed by sitting over here is like, see, right now there are no flights, so I'm just free. I have to sit down, or I have to do some time pass, or I can do my work also. But when the flight arrived, then only I have to stay on my position and I have to work. But by sitting like this also, I got to know a lot of things. I have seen the people, their feelings. I have never imagined about this kind of things before in my entire life. Even I traveled in a plane, but I have never imagined this kind of feelings, this kind of experience in my entire life. I have seen the people, they are waiting for their loved ones who are coming in the flight. girlfriend, boyfriend, husband and wife, when they are meeting with each other, I am just sitting over there, I am seeing them, and it's really the kind of a feeling they are having, and I am observing those feelings. It feels really good. Parents are waiting for the son, daughter. It's really great things. It's really great kind of feelings that I have seen, and I feel really happy when they are meeting, they are hugging each other, they are kissing each other. It's a really good experience that I'm gaining by doing this kind of volunteering works. In my previous works also, I got to know a lot of things, lot of things that are unexplainable to you guys. So whenever you will get a chance, please do volunteering works. That's what I want to share with you today. Hi guys, I'm almost done for today, and I think it's about to be 5 p.m. now, and I'm about to done. And today a lot of students came. I think four students from the Mexico, and 3 from the China, 4 from the Nigeria. I found 1 from the India, that 2 from the Gujarat, from my state. And yeah, the day was really good. I spent my almost whole day of New Year at the Regina International Airport, and I'm really happy about it. I enjoyed a lot, and now I'm about to done. I am leaving from here in 10 minutes. Someone else is gonna replace me for today, and that person will stay up to 2 a.m. tonight. So I guess guys, that's it for today in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, then please consider subscribe to the Rams Live channel, like the video and share the video with your friends. I will see you in the next video soon, friends. Till then, you take care, my friends, and bye bye.